How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Divya Kanpal. I am your computer teacher. Before starting the class, let's discuss about what is a computer actually. A computer is an electronic machine and it works on electricity. We know already. And let's start. Today's topic is more about MS Word. Class, basically, before the introduction, we already discussed what is a computer actually. A computer is an electronic device and that can perform means three types of functions. Computers are perform number first mathematical operations, logical operation and graphical operation. In mathematical operation, we perform plus, minus, divide, into etc. All our operations are performed in mathematical operations. And we can use logical basic operations if true and false condition be followed, and graphical operation we performed in a graphical way, color, coding, etc. are performed in a computer basis. Before starting the topic, students, do you know what is the full form of computer? Computer, C means commonly, O operating, M machine, P means particularly, U used for, T means technical, E educational and R research. All are combined of full form of computer. And students, here is your topic. Today we will go discuss more about MS Word. MS Word means Microsoft Word. Is a Microsoft Word. Students, welcome word processing MS Word. We can say in a short way, MS Word means Microsoft Word is a basic concept and features creating, saving, editing, formatting, printing documents, working on multiple documents, etc. All our features are available in Microsoft Word. We will discuss just a intro part of a Microsoft Word. What is a Microsoft Word and uses and features all are available in a Word application software. So student, see, Microsoft Word means what are objectives here. Word processing using Microsoft Word, the Office menu and toolbar, word processing features are all available in a Microsoft Word application software. So, let's start student. Basically, introduction of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word means often called Word, okay, is a graphical word processing program and that user can type with. It is made by the computer company. Which company? Microsoft. The purpose of the MS Word is to allow the user to type and save documents, etc. We can basically features used in a Microsoft Word save options, save files, all documents, typing work, etc. we can use with the help of a Microsoft Word application software. We can type data and save data, etc. We can use our features to throw a basically Word, Microsoft Word processing program. And here is a part of a Microsoft Word. Firstly, title bar means heading. We can enter a title to give a title name to help of a word. And second is a menu bar. We can apply to the feature to help of a menu bar. And this between area is a document window. And next, scroll bar. We can scrolling up and down to the help of a software. So student, today we will see how to open a MS Word, Microsoft Word on a computer. So let's start how to open a MS Word. Firstly, we will go a start button. Click the start button and then next we will go all programs. Click all programs and then find Microsoft Office and click Microsoft Office, and we can see here is a all application software available, but we can search. We will search Microsoft Office Word. Okay, then click and then open. Then here is your first window of a Microsoft Word. Students, see, here is your document area. We can type any data with the help of a Word software. Here is a many option. Students, see, here is a Office button. We can click Office button. We can find new, open, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, close, etc. All are options here available to throw a Office button. Then next we can see here is a many tab. First, Home tab, Insert tab, Page layout, References, Mailings, Review and View. All are tabs in MS Word software. Student, next here is a few important features of MS Word. Let's start. Number first, basically MS Word allow you to type and edit text. Means we can type letters, words, edit text. We can use these features, and it also allow you to format the text. We can change the formatting and look attractive and easy to read. And next, we can insert tables, insert charts, hyperlinks. We can use a hyperlinks to link to the another document, etc. We can use this feature. Next, third is we can use page margins, header and footer options, etc. for the text documents. Next, fourth is we can check and correct spellings and grammar related errors. We can use this feature to also with the help of our MS Word. And next, fifth is we can use a mail merge features. Okay, we can use a mail merge features with the help of a mailing tab of MS Word. We can create letters, etc. to a multiple copies of our letters to different individuals to the help of our MS Word. And the last six features is the OLE, means object linking and embedding. This feature used in insert a chart or a slide created in other Office application into your Word document. we can use this feature to the help of a MS Word. And student, today we will see last components of MS Word. Here is a components name of MS Word. First is a File tab. Next, Quick Access Toolbar, Ribbon, Title Bar, Rulers, Help, Dialog Box Launcher, Status Bar, Document Area, View buttons, and then last Zoom Control. Students, we already see the components to the help of a tab, home, insert, page layout, etc. Students, now next topic is your typing text in a document. Means how to type a text in a document. Typing in MS Word is very easy. So, firstly we will open the Word window and press the required keys from the help of a keyboard. And we can enter letters, numbers, symbols, etc. to the exact position at the cursor position. And the cursor keeps moving forward as we type. And then when the current line finishes, the cursor automatically shifts to the beginning of the next line. So this feature of MS Word is also called word wrap. Okay, this feature known as we called word wrap. So see the live example how to type a text in a document. So students, see the live example. I'm writing this. My computer. M caps, then small, my space computer. C caps, OMPUTER. So like this, my computer. So it's very easy writing, how to write properly in the document. Then next we can write any number. See like that, 12, enter, 67, etc. And we write symbols also. We using shift plus, right, like that, plus, minus, etc. We can use the symbols, letters and numbers in feature of MS Word. Then next, come to the next topic, important lines. How to remember while typing in MS Word. First, do not press any enter key to go to the next line. Type continuously and press the enter key. Okay, and then only when you want to start a new paragraph, especially for a new paragraph, we can enter and press the enter key. Second, give one space between words. Every words we can space definitely, because if you not give any space, so your letters and numbers are mixed. Next, give one space after every punctuation made, like after a full stop. Okay, punctuation means a full stop, comma, etc. Okay. Then next, keep the caps lock key off when you need to type a few letters in capital. And then use the shift key instead of the caps lock key. If you need using caps lock key, you can easily open, and you not use that time, you can off this caps lock key. Then next, last point, use the click of the mouse or arrows keys from the keyboard to move the cursor anywhere within the type text to insert or delete something. Okay, we can delete and insert to help of the mouse from the keyboard. Student, see next, selecting the text. It's very important. How to select the text? See, to modify a piece of text or to change, means to any property, relation to the surrounding text. So given steps are below. First, click with the mouse to bring the cursor with the position, okay, beginning of the text to be selected. Then hold down the shift key. Which key? Shift key. and then click at the end of the text to be selected. Then student click at the end of the text to be selected, and the entire text between starting and end points will get selected. Okay, and they release the shift key. So see how to select the any word and any number. See, like that, click the help of the mouse and select it area. Select this type. We can select properly my computer. This area known as a selected area. And next, few more ways to select text. How? Let's read this points step by step. To select a single word in a document, double click on it. Okay. Then to select a sentence, hold down the control key and click anywhere in the sentence. Okay. We can use this control key with the help of anywhere in this sentence to click. Then to select a paragraph, okay, place the pointer anywhere in the paragraph and triple click the left mouse button. And clicking the mouse button thrice quickly is called the triple click. Okay, triple click is known as a thrice button, means quickly to click 3 times of the help of a mouse. Then next, fourth, last, to select the entire text in a document, press the Ctrl plus A shortcut keys, okay, from the keyboard. Ctrl plus A means whole document, whole word, whole sentence select with the help of this key, Ctrl plus A key. We can select entire text with the help of a Ctrl plus A key. Okay, student, next is your editing in MS Word. Editing means students changes. Okay, firstly, do you understand properly? Editing means changes to anything. We make a mistake, okay, while typing in MS Word. So correcting these mistakes and mailing the document error free is called editing, is known as editing. Editing means making corrections and changes to a document to make it free, error free and easy to understand. Okay, you understand properly. And adding and deleting text, correcting spelling and grammatical error are some of the things that we commonly do while editing a document. We can use the feature of editing in MS Word. Then next, last topic, today we discuss only deleting text. Okay, this topic we discuss today only. So let's discuss. We can delete text from a document simply by using the delete and backspace key. The steps to do so are: how to delete a proper, we know very well. Okay, we can press directly delete button. Okay, we know very well. And to read the steps, follow the step by step. To delete a character, place the cursor to the left of the character and press the delete key. We can use only delete key to delete the character, or place the cursor to the right of the direction. Okay, and press the which key? Backspace key. We can remove the right area of the direction we use in a backspace key. So both are different keys, delete and backspace key. And then next come to the second. To delete a word, sentence, paragraph or the entire text in a document, first select it and then press the delete key. Okay, the appropriate text will get deleted automatically. This character all deleted. Okay, so students, next is a new words. Topic is a new words. Open your notebook everyone and note it down properly. Okay, in a front page properly and mention date, chapter name, okay, and chapter number. So write first word is document, DOCUMENT. First is a document. Okay, then next feature, FEATURE, feature. Next word is feature. Then next third, attractive, Word is attractive. ATTRACTIVE. Then come to the fourth, impressive. IMPRESSIV. Impressive. Then next fifth, hyperlink. Okay. HYPERLINK. Hyperlink. Then come to the next six, software. SOFTWARE. Then next seven, spelling. 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 Then next eight, grammar. GRAMMAR. Okay. Next is ninth, header. 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 Then next 10th, footer. 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 Then come to the 11th, application. Write application. APPLICATION. And then next, status bar. STATUSBAR. Status bar. Okay. Then next, ribbon. 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 Then next 14th, cursor. 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 Then last 15, components. 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 So student, today is this much, and your homework is today write new words in your notebook.